Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here and I'm back to do a unpackaging of an item that I got from for Film and Censor. Oh well. Just show it to you anyway. Okay, let's see what's inside and open it up. Like right now. Oh jeez, look at this. Somebody ripped up the package. Plus, did I get hoodwinked or something? Wait a minute. Let's go inside the man cave and check it out. Like, right now, let's go. Here it is, folks. It's Pawn Stars. The t-shirt. Has anybody seen the History Channel? I like this series. I laugh my ass off in certain episodes. And you got cool characters like the Harrisons, and you got the an employer who's a friend of theirs. One is the old man, Richard Harrison, and his son, Rick Harrison, and then you have the grandson slash son, Corey Big Hoss Harrison, Corey Harrison, aka Big Hoss, Hoss, Big Hoss, and of course, uh, Big Hoss's best friend, Austin Russell, aka Chum Lee. Chum Lee, because he grew up watching anime, so like they call him Chum Lee, and the old man calls him Dum Dum. I vote for Dum Dum. And anybody hasn't seen Pawn Stars, please check it out, folks. You're gonna laugh your ass off to those who haven't seen, including all you young BUCKSs. But 5 years ago, we lost the old man. He may be gone, but his legacy lives on. So yeah, if anybody's interested in this, I'll leave you the link in the description box down below from history.com to get your hands on any kind of shirts you like, especially Pawn Stars. So y'all, this is if you like content like this, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos and of course comments down below. And appreciate the thumbs up always. The thumbs up always. So yeah. And I'm in the YouTube community, so to tell you what time I post videos at a certain time, including early links for pre-order videos, which is going to be live before I start showing. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, and enjoy Thursday, and catch you on the next vid. Later, y'all.